Spiritual growth is a deeply personal journey that allows individuals to tap into their inner selves and unlock their true potential. It is a process of self-discovery, enlightenment, and connection with something greater than ourselves. Throughout this journey, we encounter various tests that challenge us to grow, evolve, and embrace our spiritual awakening. These tests serve as stepping stones towards unlocking our spiritual potential and unleashing the power within us. In our spiritual journey, we often encounter tests that help us grow and develop. These tests can come in many forms, such as difficult life situations, emotional upheavals, or even encountering people who challenge our beliefs. These tests are not meant to be punishments, but rather opportunities for us to learn and evolve. When we encounter a spiritual test, it is important to recognize it as such. By acknowledging that we are being tested, we can approach the situation with a different mindset. Instead of seeing it as a setback, we can view it as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. This shift in perspective allows us to embrace the challenge and learn the valuable lessons it has to offer. As we embark on our spiritual journey, we may start noticing signs from the universe that guide us and provide us with reassurance. These signs can come in different forms, such as synchronicities, repeated numbers, or even encounters with certain animals or symbols. These signs act as gentle nudges from the universe, reminding us that we are on the right path. Do you see the signs of the universe? Pay attention to the subtle messages that come your way. They can be powerful indicators of your spiritual awakening and growth. Embrace these signs and allow them to guide you towards unlocking your spiritual potential. The Dalai Lama, a renowned spiritual leader, has shared his first-hand experiences of encountering signs from the universe. He often speaks about how certain events and encounters have guided him on his spiritual path. For instance, he recalls a moment when he saw two rainbows in the sky, which he interpreted as a sign of hope and encouragement from the universe. These experiences serve as powerful reminders that signs from the universe are not limited to a select few. They are available to each and every one of us, guiding us on our unique spiritual journeys. Paulo Coelho, a beloved spiritual author, has also shared his personal encounters with signs from the universe. In his book, The Alchemist, he writes about the concept of omens, signs that guide us towards our true destiny. Coelho's own journey of self-discovery and spiritual growth is filled with instances where signs from the universe played a significant role. These examples highlight the universality of signs from the universe in spiritual awakening. Regardless of our background or beliefs, we can all tap into the guidance and wisdom that the universe offers. To fully embrace our spiritual potential, it is essential to learn how to identify and interpret signs from the universe. This requires a heightened sense of awareness and a willingness to trust our intuition. Signs can manifest in various ways, and it is important to be open and receptive to their messages. One way to identify signs from the universe is to pay attention to synchronicities, meaningful coincidences that seem to align with our thoughts, desires, or questions. These synchronicities can serve as signposts, guiding us towards the next steps in our spiritual journey. Interpreting signs from the universe is a deeply personal process. It involves listening to our intuition and reflecting on the messages we receive. Journaling, meditation, and seeking guidance from mentors or spiritual teachers can also help us gain clarity and understanding. The first fundamental test we encounter in our spiritual journey is recognizing and embracing our spiritual awakening. This test often comes in the form of a profound realization or a shift in perspective. It is a moment when we become aware of our connection to something greater than ourselves and the immense potential that lies within us. To pass this test, we must be open to exploring our spirituality and embracing the changes that come with it. This may involve letting go of old beliefs or patterns that no longer serve us and embracing new ways of thinking and being. Once we have recognized and embraced our spiritual awakening, the second fundamental test awaits us: the test of spiritual growth and development. This test challenges us to cultivate our spirituality and deepen our connection with the divine. To pass this test, we must commit to our spiritual practice and devote time and energy to nourishing our souls. This can involve meditation, prayer, mindfulness, or any other practice that resonates with us. By consistently engaging in these practices, we create a solid foundation for our spiritual growth and development. As we progress on our spiritual journey, we begin to discover our unique spiritual gifts, talents, abilities, or qualities that enable us to serve others and contribute to the world. The third fundamental test revolves around utilizing and honing these spiritual gifts. If we want to pass this test, we must recognize our gifts and find ways to share them with others. This can involve volunteering, teaching, healing, or any other form of service that aligns with our spiritual purpose. By utilizing our gifts, we not only unlock our spiritual potential but also make a positive impact on the lives of those around us. To fully unlock our spiritual potential, it can be helpful to undergo a spiritual gifts assessment. This assessment helps us identify our unique gifts and talents, providing us with a roadmap for further development and growth. By understanding our gifts, we can focus our energy and resources on honing them, allowing us to make a greater impact in the world. Passing the fundamental spiritual tests requires dedication, perseverance, and self-reflection. Here are some practical tips to help you navigate these tests and unlock your spiritual potential. 1. Cultivate self-awareness. Take time to reflect on your thoughts, emotions, and actions. This self-awareness will help you recognize the tests and challenges that come your way. 2. Embrace uncertainty. Spiritual growth often involves stepping into the unknown. Embrace uncertainty and trust that the universe is guiding you towards your highest good. 3. Seek guidance and support. Connect with like-minded individuals, mentors, or spiritual teachers who can provide guidance and support on your journey. 4. Practice self-care. Nourish your mind, body, and soul through self-care practices such as meditation, exercise, healthy eating, and spending time in nature. 5. Trust the process. Remember that spiritual growth is a lifelong journey. Trust the process and have faith that you are exactly where you need to be. Unlocking your spiritual potential is a transformative and empowering journey. By recognizing and embracing your spiritual awakening, cultivating spiritual growth, and utilizing your unique gifts, you can unlock the power within you and make a positive impact in the world. Embrace the signs from the universe, trust your intuition, and have faith in the process. As you pass the fundamental spiritual tests, you will unlock your true potential and experience a deep sense of fulfillment and purpose. Start your journey today and embark on a path of spiritual growth, self-discovery, and connection with the divine.